Massive coils of high-grade steel arrive, the foundation of a machine built to dominate every terrain.
Ensure the torque settings match the specification sheet for the rear axle.
Confirmed. Running final diagnostics now.
Side panels, roof frames, and floor structures are stamped under immense pressure, forming the Everest's signature body. Automated robots weld each joint. Over thousands of precision weld points lock the structure together. The naturally aspirated V10 engine begins assembly, each piston, each crankshaft balanced to perfection.
Every engine is tested under extreme conditions, pushed to its limits before it ever meets the road.
The heart of the Everest takes shape. A powerful turbocharged engine built for performance. Laser-guided systems scan every weld, ensuring zero structural compromise.
The bare metal body enters a chemical bath, to shy every impurity for perfect paint adhesion. Robotic sprayers glide in perfect harmony, applying primer with flawless consistency.
The heart of the Everest takes shape. A powerful turbocharged engine built for performance. Advanced transmission systems deliver seamless power. Solid front and rear axles, built for true off-road dominance. High-performance electric motors, delivering instant torque with zero delay. Single-speed transmission, optimized for seamless acceleration. The first heartbeat, machine comes alive.
Check the tolerances on the rear axle housing.
Analyzing now. The laser grid shows a microfracture on schematic 4B.
Longevity under extreme conditions. Next, primer coats are applied, followed by robotically sprayed base coats in customer selected colors. Volvo offers an extensive palette of standard and custom colors, and each coat is oven-baked for proper adhesion. A clear coat is then applied to protect against UV exposure, chemicals, and road debris.
The towing capacity on this model is unmatched, and the leather interior is incredibly comfortable.
It looks fantastic.
We are very impressed with the features.